Good morning guys, in this video I want to show you today how to make an extremely simple and compact repeating dispenser in Minecraft 1.16. Let's begin. So to make this simple and easy repeater, all you need is a dispenser, something to dispense, a redstone repeater, a redstone torch, a lever, some redstone dust and some cobblestone. Start off by placing some cobblestone like this. Put your dispenser facing towards the direction that you want it, whatever it needs to dispense. Some cobblestone over there. Put your redstone repeater facing that way. Some redstone dust around like this. Put your lever down. So from the top, it will look like this. There's your redstone dispenser, your redstone repeater, redstone with a lever. Put some items in your dispenser that you wish to dispense. And final touch, put your redstone torch over there, and there we go. Now you'll see it stopped dispensing after a while. On this setting on the repeater, for some reason the redstone torch fizzles out after a while. To prevent this from happening, those first two options that it's on now will cause it to fizzle out. If you put it on the second last one, it will dispense without fizzling out. It will just carry on dispensing. It dispenses a little bit slower, but continuously. Also, you can make it even more slower. And there we go. As simple as that. Let's go up. Let me just give you a final overview. You've got your dispenser, cobblestone, or any building block, redstone, redstone repeater, a lever to toggle it on and off, and finally your redstone torch. And there we go, it stopped dispensing. You collect all your arrows. And we can fill it up again. It's as simple as that. This setup doesn't require a tripwire hook or a pressure plate with something triggering either of those things to make the dispenser function. I hope this has been helpful to you. Please subscribe, like this video, and any other tips and secrets that I learn as I make my way from becoming a survival noob, I will share with you on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.